Your next car could be the 2020 Ram 1500. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, chrome wheels, satellite radio, 8-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera. Don't do the job unless you can do it right. Drive the truck that has the capability you need. The Ram 1500.